Let me introduce you to the iBin, a revolutionary solution for feminine hygiene disposal. Specialized in sealing and storing your waste in washrooms or other indoor environments. And a bin that you don't even need to touch. This innovative product is designed to combat the growth of harmful bacteria, thanks to Microban antimicrobial treatment. The bags are crafted from 100% biodegradable organic materials, such as cornstarch and cellulose. It's both eco-friendly and TUV certified. Not only does it save on costs by allowing you to treat feminine hygiene waste as black bin waste, but it also promotes cleaner, more efficient cleaning processes. With easy installation options, including wall screws or sticky tape, smart analog or digital functionality, and the innovative iScent feature for enhanced scent experiences, the iBin Hygiene 15 is a game changer for feminine hygiene disposal.